Today's kind of a special treat. We're back at Patterson's, yay! Which means I'm spending more money on stuff I don't, well actually I kind of do need this. So today we're getting our performance gauges installed. So we're getting a pod that's gonna go along this beam. I'm gonna get boost, air to fuel, and oil pressure. So I hope it's gonna be in that order. I would like it to be in that order. We gotta see what it looks like and wait and see how they do it. And yeah, if this part gets put into the video, what I'm about to say, it means they let me set the GoPro up kind of like in here, and then what the plan is I'm going to time lapse the build of the gauge pod and everything, and then I'll use the other camera that I brought with me to kind of like come in and do updates on what's going on. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you when we go inside. We got gauges. The pod's installed, the gauges are installed. Looks pretty decent. Pretty excited. The GoPro died, so if the GoPro died and the footage was corrupted, I'm sorry, but I got the footage of Nick installing the gauges and everything. So if the GoPro died, I'm sorry. If not, then you would have already seen it by now. But we've got gauges now. Boom! We're official! We're official! So yeah, pretty awesome. When I got the GoPro back and charged up, I'll go ahead and do some runs and stuff with showing the gauges and everything. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below anything you want, honestly. I like seeing your guys' comments, and I respond to each and every one of them as soon as I can. I get little notifications on my phone, and that's usually when I'll respond to them. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and you guys have a great day.